Okay, so we're still going to solve by factoring, but this time we have a GCF that we have to factor out. Okay, so you notice this is a cube, so that's not a quadratic. A quadratic, the highest exponent would be a 2. But this all these terms have x in common. So since this leading one is negative, we're going to factor out a negative x. Okay, so now negative x, this would make that a positive 3x squared. That would make that a positive 5x. And that would make that a positive 2. Okay, now we're going to take this and we're going to factor that out. So 3 times 2 is 6, so looking for factors of 6 that add to give us 5. 2 and 3. So I'm going to leave this here just hanging out for right now. Now I'm going to write this, so I've got 3x squared. Remember, anytime there's a number in front of that x squared, we're gonna use grouping. So 3x squared plus 2x plus 3x plus 2 equals 0. The 2x and 3x add to give us 5, and they come from over here, our factors. Okay, now we're going to group. So I've got the GCF here is just x, so 3x plus 2. The GCF here is just 1. So I've got x plus 1, 3x plus 2, and then I got to bring this one down. Negative x. Now I'm going to set all 3 equal to 0. Negative x equals 0, x plus 1 equals 0, 3x plus 2 equals 0, and I'm going to solve. So it's just going to be 0, negative 1, and negative 2/3. Remember, if I plug these numbers into my original, I should get 0. Okay, so now we're going to solve this one. Again, we're looking for the GCF. And we have a GCF of x, so I'm going to take that out. Leaves me with x squared plus 11x plus 10. Now I'm going to factor this, so factors of 10 that add to give me 11. There's no number in front, so I don't have to multiply. I just know factors of 10 that add to give me 11. So I'm going to let this just hang out here for right now. So x plus 10, x plus 1. Okay, so I've got x from here equals 0, x plus 10 equals 0, and x plus 1 equals 0. So those are my solutions.